Hi guys, back with me again in the tutorial my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add cloud effect to your pictures in Picsart. So if you want to add a more beautiful cloud to your photo or images, just follow these steps that I'm about to tell you, and I'm going to edit the picture on Picsart. So open the Picsart app, and then at the home page, click on the plus icon to create your design. And then I want to edit these pictures. As you can see, these are flowers with sky. There's no cloud, and I want to add the cloud. So at the menu list of menu at the bottom, just found this menu, add photo, and then add the cloud photo that you've already downloaded before, or you are already on your phone. Just find it on Pinterest, on Google, or Extra, and add it to your pictures. Just place it at the top, and then you can adjust the position just like that. Okay, and then find the blend menu here. Click on that and choose darken or maybe lighten, just like that. And then click on check, and you can see the line here. But if you want to erase it, just find the tool menu and then click on remove, and you can place the brush on this. Wait for remove, click on remove, and just like that the line will gradually disappear. And then you can do it again, click on remove, and then this part right here, click on remove. Okay, so just like that, the cloud has been added to your pictures. Maybe you can do it more neatly, but not from me. Okay, so that's it for me. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment. And if you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.